Comfort seekers and adventurers, welcome. Prepare to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road. It is anticipated that this amazing vehicle will transform the RV market with its outstanding performance and sophisticated Scandinavian style. Thanks to Volvo's recognizable sleek, aerodynamic lines, it strikes the ideal mix between elegance and utility and radiates refinement from the exterior. We anticipate an advanced electric drivetrain, possibly with 2 electric motors for strong and seamless all-wheel drive, augmented by a substantial battery pack for increased range and emission-free driving, as the high-tech brains behind it all. The dashboard's sleek, futuristic appearance greets you as soon as you enter. A big, vertical infotainment display that functions as an intuitive, fully integrated control center has taken the role of buttons. All the information you want is shown on a stylish digital driver's display behind it. And a 5G connection and integrated Google Assistant make sure you're constantly linked to the outside world and your navigation. As soon as you walk in, you will feel the true spirit of Scandinavian design. The inside is roomy, bright, and elegantly decorated. Using eco-friendly materials, such as Nordico and rich wool mixes, is not only visually appealing but also gratifying to the touch. Unhindered views of the outdoors are provided by the large panoramic windows and glass roof of your lodge. Its adaptable design, which includes sliding and swiveling seats, makes it simple to convert this room from a cozy lounge to a sophisticated eating area. The bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome provides a peaceful haven when it's time to relax. A king-size bed with a comfortable mattress is one instance of how modern style and functionality may coexist. Adjustable ambient lights and concealed storage give the ideal setting for unwinding. Volvo's refinement even extends to the bathroom's design. Because of its high-quality materials, contemporary fixtures, and the potential for a water-saving shower, this bathroom is small but effectively utilizes the available space. Together, style and functionality make sure you receive what you want in a clear and understandable manner. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. With energy-efficient, modern features like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a useful sink, this kitchen was probably created with traveling cooks in mind. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to ingenious counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?